आज हम हमारे चैप्टर जो है डिवीजन, उसका हम 5th पार्ट करेंगे जो है डिवीजन बाय यूजिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल्स 11 to 15। यहाँ पे हम डिवीजन करेंगे बाय यूजिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल जो हमने सीखा है। तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है डिवाइड 108 बाय 11। So 1 is less than 11, so consider 10 tens. But 10 is less than 11, so consider 108 ones. Divide 108 by 11. 11 nines are 99. Write 9 in the units place of the quotient, so the quotient is 9 and the remainder is 9. यहाँ पे 108 डिविडेंट है and 11 हेड डिवाइज़र। सो 108 में हम कंसिडर करेंगे कि 108 वंस है and then 11 into 9 is equal to 99, इसलिए 9 and 99 फिर हम माइनस करेंगे। नेक्स्ट है 3 is less than 12, so consider 37 hundredths। 12 threes are 36, so write 3 in the hundredths place of the quotient and 36 under 37। इसका बेसिक जो आइडिया है, यहाँ पे हमें जो डिविडेंड है उसको एक सिंपलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है। जैसे 3725 को हम लिखेंगे 3700 और 3700। फिर 37 and 12 में कौन सा नंबर आता है, तो वो होगा 3, क्योंकि 12 3 से 36 and 36 is less than 37। फिर जब हम ऐसे करते हैं तो ये एक ईजियर मेथड है जो हम 2 डिजिट से डिवाइड करते हैं। तो लेट्स ट्राई ओवर हियर। 625 डिवाइडेड बाय 14। तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 625 एंड यहाँ पे 14। तो अभी 625 को अगर हमें एक सिंपलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है तो हम कर सकते हैं 600s, बट 6 is less than 14, सो हम वो नहीं कर सकते। तो वील टेक दिस एज 62 tens। अगर हम 62 tens लेंगे तो वी हैव टू सी 14 62 में कहाँ आता है। ये पहले 14 into 1 which is 14, 14 into 2 which is 28, 14 into 3 which is 42, and 14 into 4 which is equal to 56, which will be the right number. So यहाँ पे we will write 4 over here and down 56. So when we minus, we will get 6 because 62 minus 56 is equal to 6. So we write here 6. Then we bring down the next number, which is 5. So now it's 65. And again we will do 14 into 4 because 14 into 5 is equal to 70. So 14 into 4 again, which is 56. So we bring down 56 and then we will minus. So 65 minus 56 is equal to 9. So now the quotient is 44. The quotient is 44 and the remainder is 9. Next we will do 162 divided by 13. So let's write the dividend in the divisor. So the dividend is 162 and 13 is the divisor. Now to make 162 into a simpler form, we will write 16 tens, or we could have written 1 hundredths, but 1 hundredths is less than 13. So then we will take 16 tens. So now 16 tens, 16, we need to divide 13 by 16 first, so we'll write 1 over there. Because 13 ones are 13, which is smaller than 16. 13. So now we will minus 16 minus 13, which is equal to 3. And then we will bring down the next number, which is 2. So now we are left with 32, and we need to see which number goes exactly. So 13 into 1 is 13, and 13 into 2 is equal to 26, and 13 into 3 is equal to 39. And since 39 is bigger than 32, we will take 13 into 2, which is equal to 26. So we write 26 over here. Now 32 minus 26 is equal to 6. So we are left with 6, which is our remainder, and 12, which is our quotient. So we'll write 12 over here, and 6 as a remainder. Next we will do 5461 divided by 13. Now first we will write 5461, then the divisor, which is 13. So now we will take 5461 as 54 hundredths. So when we take it as 54 hundredths, we need to see 13 comes where in 54. So 13 into 3 is equal to 39, but 13 into 4 is equal to 52, which is a perfect number for 54. So 52, and then we'll write 4 up. Then we will minus both of them, 54 minus 52, and then we'll be left with 2. Then we'll bring down 6, so 26. Now 13 into 2 is equal to 26. That is again a perfect number. 26. We'll write 2 up. Then we'll be left with 0, and then we'll bring down 1. So when we bring down 1, 1 is smaller than 13, therefore we will add a 0 in the quotient. So we'll add 0 over here. So our quotient is 420 and our remainder is 1. So remainder being 1 and quotient being 420. Next we'll do another sum, which is 832 divided by 15. So we'll write the dividend, which is 832, and the divisor, which is 15. Now we need to simplify 832, and we'll take 832 as 83 tenths. So 83 tenths, and then 15, we need to say which number will come in 83. So the next perfect number will be 75, which is 15 into 5 is equal to 75, and as 15 into 6 is equal to 90, it is too big for 83. So the next number we'll take is 75. And up, we'll write 5s, because 15 5s are 75. Now we will minus both of them, and we get 83 minus 75 is equal to 8. Now we get 8 and we bring down 2. So when we bring down 2, it becomes 82, and again we'll have to do 15 into 5. We'll have to do 15 into 5 because 82 is too less for 90. So 75, and then 5 again as the quotient. Now we minus 82 minus 75, and then we get 7. So that means the remainder is 7 and the quotient is 55. So we write here quotient 55 and remainder 7.